guys, I'm Dia, and in this video you guys are going to learn what a conditional is and how to code them in Blockly. So a conditional is basically a statement that helps the computer decide what to do based on the condition of a program. They're also called an if statement, and if you watch this video, maybe you'll figure out why they're called if statements. So I like to accessorize. I like to wear hats, sunglasses, sneakers, sandals, different kind of things. So the thing is, I like to be prepared for different scenarios. I don't want to wear snow boots or scarves in the summer. That's a little ridiculous. So how does anyone decide what to wear? Well, probably the easiest way is to look at the different weather conditions. Is it snowing tomorrow? Is it raining? Is it hot? Is it cold? Figuring out what your conditions are can help you decide what to do. So a simple statement for the summer would be wear my sunglasses if it's sunny. So let's reformat the sentence a little. If it's sunny, then I will wear my sunglasses. Why did I change the order? Well, this is called a conditional or an if statement, and we're checking to see if a condition is true. We're not checking like if I'm going to wear my sunglasses, when I'm going to wear my sunglasses. We're checking if it's sunny, what the weather is like. As I said earlier, weather is a condition, and we're checking to see if a certain condition is true. And my decision or my action, which is to wear sunglasses, is based on the fact that it's sunny. It only happens if that previous condition is true. So you always say the condition first, if this happens, if this is true, and then what you want to do or your action should come second. So what do I wear if it's not sunny? If we're keeping in mind that this is the summer and we're not looking at any other option, either it's sunny or it's not, then I technically don't need anything. I could say if it's not sunny, then I don't need sunglasses. That's another if statement, and you could leave it like that. But that's not the best way to code this scenario, because there's only two options. Either it's sunny or it's not. So in this scenario, we can use an if-else instead of using two different if statements. If it's sunny, I will wear my sunglasses, else I will not wear my sunglasses. This is the simplest version of an if statement. It focuses on the one scenario we have, and it gives a default for every other scenario. So what does this look like in code? Well, obviously it's going to depend on if you're typing something, or if you're using blocks. It depends on the program and the language you're using. But the format of a conditional is pretty much the same in most languages. So you have your condition here, if, whatever you're trying to figure out, if this thing is true, that goes up first, and then what you want to happen if that's true comes second in this first gap, and then what you want to happen if that's not true, your else, will come in the third gap. So if it is sunny, then I will wear my sunglasses, else I will not wear my sunglasses. So for your activity in Blockly, this is all you're going to need. This if-else doesn't take other conditions into account, like is it raining or what if it's snowing. If you want to learn how to code an if statement to check for multiple conditions, check out the Trinket conditionals video, which will be coming soon. So for your activity in Blockly, you guys are going to need to use conditionals to check if there's a path not only in front of you, but to your right or to your left. Because as you can see in this maze over here, it isn't just a straight line. You're going to have to turn at some point. So to do that, you just drag this block, which is a simple if statement, select the direction you want to check, and make sure your character turns that direction. So if I'm checking to see if there's a path to the left, you're probably going to want to turn to the left so you can go on that path. This block here allows you to put multiple ifs so you can check all directions. So you can check if there's a path in front, or if there's a path to the right, or if there's a path to the left. I hope you guys understood how to use conditionals through this video, and I hope you guys have fun doing this activity.